welcome to the channel. If you're new, then you already know what I'm gonna need you to do. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to go hit that subscription bell and make sure you turn on your post notifications. First off, let me stop being rude. I'm Shantae Ree, and I do a variety of content, mostly geared towards fashion and lifestyle. I'm just now getting into the vlogs. So if any of that or just myself in general interests you, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're returning, hey girl. So we have another unboxing, and I did wait a little bit to open it, but then I couldn't wait no more. So don't kill me, y'all. I did already open it, but we here. So here is the box. I did do one other unboxing for Steve Madden because I know you read the title, so you already know why we're here. But yeah, real simple packaging, just a brown box, and we're gonna get straight into it. So I saved over $1,000 by simply getting a Steve Madden bag. You get your invoice, and then the bag just comes in this clear paper. So I got my invoice, and that's it. Total was $76.44. It says prices shown reflect any discounts received. And as a matter of fact, that brings me to my next thing. I do want to reiterate, if you didn't watch the other Steve Madden unboxing, that you receive an automatic discount when you shop on the app. So I decided to keep the app. I shopped through the app, and automatically I got money off of the bag. That's most definitely a plus. The Steve Madden site, the Steve Madden app does accept Afterpay. So if you racking up stuff, you can most definitely, you know, get a little payment plan going on. So anyways, this is the bag. That's the tag. Also, the last video I dropped prior to this one was the vloggy vlog. The girls went to Miami for Kiara's birthday, and it was lit. So if you have not tuned into the vlog, I need you to go and tune into that, period. So this is the bag. I was sold on the color, first of all. I was sold on the color. It's the olive green for me. So it does have the coin pouch with the Steve Madden logo and silver detailing. And I like how they stuffed it so it didn't come like flat or crushed. Just got paper inside. Steve Madden detailing is also on the zippers. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. So let me just stand up real quick. I did already adjust the bag. This is, it says Bvital olive crossbody. Steve Madden, silver chain detailing, just like the Prada re-edition version. And I'm gonna just put it on so y'all can kind of get the idea of how it will look if you get this bag. Y'all know I'm short, so I'm gonna try my best to get it all in there. to know if it had any pockets or compartments on the inside. So I'm gonna take the paper out. They made sure they stuck this good, which I'm not complaining. Okay, so yeah, it does have one little zipper compartment right here. And the inside is green. I love it. My thing with this is you pretty much got the same bag, which is the Prada re-edition, for a much affordable price, obviously. But instead of you going and actually getting like a fake Prada bag, like Prada, but it wasn't real, you got the same bag, different version. Still name brand, cheaper price. Feel me? Nothing against it now. If you want to just go and get a fake Prada bag, then do you. But just saying, you know, versus doing that, you could just get the same bag, different brand. I like how shiny, listen, I pay attention to details, so I like how shiny this is. I like that it has silver detailing. I wouldn't have minded it either if it had gold detailing, because I'm really a gold person, but I'm starting to get into the silver too. But yeah, so this is pretty much the bag. Real simple. Gotta take this off. Straight to the point. Looks the same as the Prada re-edition. It's just Steve Madden. So I'm gonna have to find something cute to wear with this. Make sure y'all follow me on the gram. Everything that I show y'all on here, I end up wearing on Instagram. So if you want to see how I style the pieces, make sure to follow the girl. Thank y'all for tuning in. I just wanted to show y'all too, like pretty much all of the hardware has the Steve Madden on it. So it's no confusion, honey. He wants you to know this is Steve Madden, period. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you.